Welcome! If you're looking to stop those constant Instagram notifications about people adding your audio to their reels, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to disable these notifications on your PC, so you can enjoy a quieter, more focused Instagram experience. First, open your browser and head over to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or a small menu icon, and give it a click. A new menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Next, look for the Notifications option in the Settings menu and click on it. This is where you control all the alerts Instagram sends you, whether it's likes, messages, or, in this case, reel-related updates. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see an option for Push Notifications. Click on that to open a detailed list of all the push notification types you can customize. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Original Audio. This is the setting responsible for notifications when someone adds your audio to their reel. To turn these notifications off, simply select the Off option next to Original Audio. And that's it. You've just disabled notifications for when others use your audio in their Instagram reels on your PC. No more unnecessary interruptions. Just a smoother, more personalized Instagram experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might be dealing with the same notification overload. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your distraction-free time on Instagram.